Hello everyone. So today I'm going to go over the three stocks that I believe are good to trade right now, or at least to watch. And before I do that, I upload videos every day about the good stocks that are good to trade or to watch at least. So if you find value in that and you want to get notified right away, you can subscribe to that channel to view these videos as soon as I upload them. Also, if you want to get free stocks, you can sign up to Webull, which is this app, using the link in the description below. And even if you have an account, you can sign up for another account to get the free stocks. I believe they offer now at least, I believe, two stocks. And I don't want to waste your time too much, so let's get started. So the first stock on the list is ELOX. Um, so it's sorry about that. So it's ELOX, which is Elox Pharmacist. Um, anyway, that's the symbol ELOX, and you can see that I drew the resistance line here because I see that, like, if I drew it like here, you can see that the price never closed above this line. You can see that here it touched that line and went down, or like here it went down and then came here, touched that line also and went down. But here it seems like it closed above the point. Well, that's what I see. It closed above the point, the resistance point, clearly. And there is volume. So I believe that that's a very good stock to buy right now. Um, the volume for today is about 400k versus 220k. So that's more than 1.75 times the average volume. So there is volume, and you can see it on the chart down here too. And the float is 37 million, so that's quite low float. So I believe yes, the stock can go up a lot, and like even it can go up above 300 maybe in a day even. And you can see here, like at one point on the 17th of December, it went up 133%. So it can go up that and even more based on this float, and that's why I think that this is a good stock. And let's view some information here. No news on Webull for today. Financials. Here's a picture, like a general picture about the financials. Here's the analysts. So based on three analysts, it's a buy. One said hold, one said buy, one said it's a strong buy. But I don't know when they exactly said that, so I don't trust them so much. And they may be biased too, but something that I wanted to show you. Um, Here, institutional holdings. Press release, nothing for today. Today is the 26th. You can see here. Um, Nothing here. There are options available. If you like options, you can trade options on this stock. That's some information about the company. Yes, that's pretty much it. That's for this stock. We can go to the next one, which is Farm. I went over that stock yesterday, but the reason I'm going over it today again is that I feel like the stock is actually holding its price above the resistance. Whether this is the resistance or that's the resistance, it's holding its price above it. So it makes me feel that this is like this is a support here, and it seems like it's respecting that support. And you can see that I drew two lines because I'm not sure exactly where the support is, but it's like in between. It's here because you can see if you run these two lines here, you can see that here the price went down, it hit this, went down, kind of like broke this area, went down a little bit, and then went up. So it broke that resistance that was here. It went up, it went here, and it went down, kind of maybe hit that spot and went up, that went down here and then hit this and went down, hit this and went down, hit this and went down. So it seems like it's a resistance. And it was broken on the 25th, which was yesterday, and it seems like the price is maintaining that position and it's strong in there. So I feel like that's a support, or it was a resistance and now it's a support because I believe it's broken. And you can see that the float is 15.2 million. That's a low float, so it tells me that this stock can go up really high in a very short period of time. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes up like 500% in one day, or over 1,000 in a couple of days. And the price now is at $7.81 per share, and it's here, so I believe it's a good buy. Honestly, I do. That's from my perspective. The volume for today is 342. That's still above the average volume. So there is, like, people are trading that stock apparently. Let's see what's in here. So it seems like there was some news on that stock yesterday, or some articles. You can look that up on Google if you're interested to know more about the news. Here's a financial picture. Based on 2 analysts, it's a hold. And no options to trade. And here is a summary about the company. It's in Los Angeles, California. Here's what they do. And that's the symbol, FARM. The company's name is Farmer Bros. And its price is 7.81. And you can see that it seems like it broke the previous resistance. So this should be now a support. And let's go to the last stock, but before I do that, I would like to ask you guys to subscribe to the channel if you see value. And also you can sign up to Webull using the link in the description if you want to get free stocks. Let's go to the last, SRTS. I hope that this description I hope that the description here, which says subscribe, follow, and check link in the description, does not bother you. But just a reminder for you if you want to see these videos or if you want to get free stocks. So that's the last stock, SRTS. I believe that this is a resistance line based on this point here, that point here, that point here. Where it seems like this is a resistance based on these points, and here as well. You can see that the price, like the highest it went to was that point and it went down. So I believe that this is a resistance. I don't think it broke the resistance yet. It broke it today. It actually went up, but the price was not strong to stay up there, and it went down, and apparently it's gonna close, or it's closed now. The market is closed, and the price is around here. So it's below the resistance from my point of view. But the reason why I'm going over that stock is that you can see that there is a huge volume today, 25.5 million versus the average volume, which is 500,000. So that's like 50 times the average volume. That's a lot. And I feel like because there was a lot of volume today, that means that there will be a lot of eyes on this stock in the next couple of days. And I expect, I think that it may go up. So if it actually go up with like some decent volume, then it's a good buy. Because this is the resistance from what I see, and because there was a high volume today, then there will be eyes on this stock. So you should watch this stock or keep it in your radar or your watch list and see what happens. Here's as I said, the volume for today is 25.5. That's a lot. I said what, 50 times 50 times the average volume, if I did the math right. No, I didn't do the math right. That's actually way more than that. It's 50,000, so that's 20 by 25, that's about 500 times. It's a lot. You can see here it's a lot. 25 million, like relative to about a 40,000 shares. That's a lot. So yeah, and the float is 11.36 million. So that's a low float, and that's what makes me believe also that this stock can go up really high in a very short period of time. And there is still a potential for this stock to do that, because if you look here, like if we say that this is, well, we can go down. If we say that this is a 0 point, then we can say that the stock went up to 60% today. And for a stock that has this low float, it can go up like 500% in a day. So for it to just go 60% in one day, that's not a lot, and that tells me that maybe there is more to come. And that's why I included it here. So it's a stock to watch, definitely. And apparently there was news about it today. I don't know what it is actually, but you can look that up. I'm more interested in the movement and the breaking of the resistance. So, and here's the news, as I said, financials, analysis based on 6 analysts. It's a buy. Corporate action. Insiders activity, nothing. Options, no options to trade on Webull. And here's some information about the company. So that's the company, and these are the stocks. And if you guys find value in what I went over today or in my videos, you can subscribe or follow. And also you can sign up to Webull using the link in the description to get the free stocks. I wish you guys best of the luck, and bye.